Welcome to the Design Lounge. Are you ready to take your living room design to the next level? Mid-century modern style is the ultimate blend of timeless elegance and modern sophistication. This design trend has captivated homeowners and designers for decades, offering clean lines, functional beauty, and a chic, minimalist aesthetic. But why has it endured so long? It's because it brings both style and practicality to any space. In today's video, we'll share the ultimate tips to help you transform your living room into a mid-century modern masterpiece. From choosing the perfect furniture to accessorizing with flair, we've got everything you need to create a space that's effortlessly chic and truly timeless. Let's dive in. Mid-century modern design is grounded in simplicity, functionality, and timeless aesthetics. At its core, this style embraces clean, straight lines and geometric shapes that offer a sleek and uncluttered look. Furniture is designed to be as practical as it is beautiful, with a focus on minimalism and functionality. Every piece, whether it's a chair or a coffee table, serves a purpose while exuding elegance. Materials play a vital role in defining this style. Natural wood, especially teak and walnut, adds warmth and richness to the space, while metal and glass provide a modern industrial touch. It's all about balancing organic textures with clean finishes to create a harmonious and inviting living room. Furniture is the foundation of any mid-century modern living room. Start by selecting a sofa that epitomizes this style. Low profile with clean lines and tapered wooden legs. The addition of an iconic piece like an Eames lounge chair or a Noguchi coffee table can instantly elevate the look of your space. These timeless designs not only add style, but also reflect the functionality that is central to mid-century modern principles. When choosing materials, focus on quality and contrast. Pair wooden furniture with leather or velvet upholstery to add depth and texture. Mixing vintage pieces with modern reproductions is another great way to create a balanced, cohesive space. And remember, a clutter-free environment is essential. Avoid overcrowding the room and let each piece of furniture shine in its simplicity. The color palette is the soul of mid-century modern design, creating the perfect harmony between subtlety and vibrancy. Start with a base of neutral tones such as white, gray, or beige. These calm and sophisticated shades set the stage for the furniture and decor to shine. Neutral walls and floors also provide a timeless backdrop that allows the accents to pop without overwhelming the space. Now, for that chic mid-century flair, introduce bold accent colors. Mustard yellow, teal, burnt orange, and olive green are popular choices that add warmth and energy to the room. Use these colors sparingly. Incorporate them into cushions, rugs, or artwork. The goal is to create a balanced and cohesive look where no single element steals the spotlight. Lighting is more than just functional in mid-century modern design. It's a statement. Iconic fixtures like Sputnik chandeliers, arc floor lamps, or globe pendant lights not only illuminate the room but also serve as striking focal points. These sculptural pieces blend form and function, elevating the overall aesthetic while staying true to the style's clean and minimalist principles. Layered lighting is the key to creating depth and ambiance. Combine ambient lighting, such as recessed lights or a central chandelier, with task lighting like table lamps and accent lighting to highlight art or decor. Natural light also plays a crucial role. Large windows paired with sheer curtains maximize sunlight during the day, creating a warm and inviting atmosphere. Accessories are where the magic happens. They bring personality and flair to your mid-century modern living room. Start with bold, geometric artwork. Abstract prints or retro-style posters framed in simple wood or metal frames, can instantly transport your space to the mid-20th century. Throw pillows with graphic patterns or textured weaves also add a touch of charm and warmth to your seating. Area rugs are another powerful tool to tie the room together. Opt for vintage-inspired designs with bold patterns or muted hues that complement your overall color palette. Add small decor items like ceramic vases, metal sculptures, or minimalist clocks to enhance the visual appeal without creating clutter. Remember, every accessory should have a purpose or tell a story, aligning with the functional elegance of mid-century modern design. Plants are an integral part of mid-century modern living rooms, bringing life and vibrancy to the space. Consider adding large indoor plants like fiddle leaf figs, rubber plants, or snake plants to create a natural contrast against the clean lines and neutral tones of your furniture. Place these plants in simple, minimalist planters made of ceramic or metal to maintain the design's sleek aesthetic. Textures add depth and warmth to your living room, preventing it from feeling too sterile or flat. Incorporate natural fibers like wool, jute, or linen in the form of throw blankets, area rugs, or curtains. Pair these with smooth surfaces like glass coffee tables or polished wood furniture to create a balanced mix of tactile elements. This interplay of textures and greenery adds a cozy yet modern vibe to your living room. Now that you're equipped with these mid-century modern living room tips, it's time to transform your space into a timelessly chic haven. Start with the essentials: iconic furniture, a balanced color palette, and statement lighting. Then, add your personal touch with bold accessories, lush greenery, and cozy textures. The result will be a living room that's not just stylish, but also uniquely yours. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Design Lounge, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest interior design inspiration. Share your living room makeover stories in the comments below. We'd love to see your transformations.